Gunesh here. Today I'll show you how to work on Microsoft Word. So first we should open Microsoft Word. You can open it from the search bar, just type in Microsoft Word or through the start button. But since I already have it on my screen, I'll just open it from here. So when we open Microsoft Word 365, we get this page open where we can create our first document, blank document. You can also choose from one of the templates. If you want more, just click on more templates. And if you're searching for some more templates, just type in here. You can also look at the extra templates, just click on new. It still takes you to the same place. But you can also use one of the suggested searches. If you click on open, you can open some of the folders or documents you want. You can also open from OneDrive and so on, and from your computer. So let's just use the original blank document. And here I am. This is the original page when you open Word. So here I can start typing. Here you can change the size of your numbers, no, the letters. So if I just type in some random text, so I just typed in some random text. I can also change the size of my text if I don't like it. So I can make it like a bit bigger. So there. We can also change how we want that typing to be. I can make it like this. Like this. These are called theme fonts. There are many to choose from. You can choose any you want, you'd like to have, and so on. You can also use a dictator. Dictator just dictates what you're talking about. So if I click on dictate, hi everyone, how are you doing? Question mark. Here. It actually turned out really well. So here I can also add some more edits to this text, like I can also highlight some parts of my text. I can make it bold or italic or underline. Here, you can also check at grammar. Although my surname is not English, so it just doesn't understand it, or takes it as a not correct word. So I can also list it. Like if I highlight this, make it like this, numbered, or even more to choose from. If you click on this arrow, you can choose from more. Also change list level. I click on this, it will change its list level. It goes a little to the right. And another thing, just go back. So if I want to, for instance, change some text, make it different and highlight it. So let's change it some color. Let's make it some, yeah, this isn't bad. And also some more. And so, like, let's say you want to also do the same highlighting to another piece of text, but you don't want to do it all again the same way. So you can actually copy the formatting and do it to another piece of text. So just first click on the text you want to copy. Click on the format painter. If you don't know what this is, it just copies this design. And if I click this, it makes it the same design. And if I want to remove some design from a text, I can click on that piece of text and click on this clear all formatting. And it clears my formatting, it just makes it how original it was. But I like it. So the next thing is if I type in here something like, for example, vacation. Work, and so on. And let's say I have some text under it, just any text. I don't know. Um, so, and if I say, hey, these are headers, let's make it something look like a heading. So, like I just take this heading one. You can also have some headings here. But let's say I don't like this heading color. Like it's this dark blue, I want it to be green, for instance. But I don't have to go and change it one by one. This is going to take too long. There's actually an easy way to do it. Just click on this heading and right click on it. Then click on modify. In modify here I can change some settings. I can click on this arrow and choose what color I want. So let's make it green and click on OK. And here you see the things I just took as headings, they all just turned green by themselves. Well, this was just an accident. Never mind. The next thing you can do in Word is the next thing you can do in Word is like I want to list a few things. So let's just list, I'll make a list of a few countries in Azerbaijan, a few cities. Like I just put names of a few cities in Azerbaijan. So if I just take these off, for instance, I list them like this, but let's say I want to sort them. You can actually sort them by clicking on this and you choose here how you want to sort it. Here is paragraphs, but you can also choose how you want text, number, date. So let's try that again, not paragraph. And see, I just listed them. That's that easy. So another thing you can do in Word is find some text. For instance, I wrote in some part, if you have a very long document and in some parts of the document you didn't write it correctly, it's the same thing, but you have to correct it everything. Like I wrote here home, I didn't want to write here home. I wanted it to be something else. So you can actually find that text. Click on find for that navigation. Just type in what text you want to find. And and then click on, oh yeah, and you can also click here on advanced find. Here is a bit more advanced. You can also click on a replace here. So replace with like happy. I'll just and click on replace. See, so it finds the first one, place it, replace it. Or you can just click on replace all. Okay, and close. So as you can see, all the parts I had written home are now changed to happy. So this is actually really useful if you have a very long document and it will take you ages to find those words and correct them. So it's kind of like a lifesaver. The next thing you can do in Word is like you want to something like writing a book and you want a cover for it. You can also click on this cover page. It's really nice that it gives you a few cover pages to choose from and you can choose which one you think looks nice. So like this one, as you can see, I have this as my cover page here. And so on. The next thing you can do is a page break. So like you want some part of text to be on the next page, you don't have to press enter until you reach the next page. That just takes too long. There's an easier way to do that. You can click on page break for that. So it just takes you immediately to the next page without having to press enter and going all the way down. Like when I'm on some text page break, as you can see, that part of text where I was, it all went down here, which is actually really useful. So in Microsoft Word, Windows 11, you can insert things like tables, pictures, shape, icons, 3D models, and so on to Word. And there's also something called Smart Art. When you click on it, it just uh, takes out some, pastes a few shapes. Insert. You can also click on List, Processes. So for instance, if I click on this and click OK, this pops out here. And here I just enter my text, which I want here, which is pretty nice. Plus you can also change the shape of them, like over here, change colors. You can choose these color ranges, recolor pictures and smart art, and so on. So like I'll choose this one, looks nice. And there. You can also change how you want it to look like, and I can even make it look kind of 3D, like this, however you pleases you. Right. Well, this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Also, this is part one of how to work on Word. Part two will be coming up soon. Well, see you on my next video. Bye. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.